Everyone's dream job when you actually come out of CA is to join a big four organization. Gone are the days where you used to say that, oh, it's a postmortem, you're actually ticking and tying stuff. Today, you're actually doing exciting stuff.
It's more analytical now.
It is very analytical. You're actually using best of technology if you're working in some of the organization like UI. I would say it's been a transformational journey for me being in UI. I've done different roles, but it's all about wanting to learn, having the curiosity. Sometimes, as I said, you have to unlearn stuff. What worked 20 years back does not work. Even few years back today, if you apply it, it does not work. In a professional service organization as large as EY is, how do we really make people truly have exceptional experience?
Today, the accounting standards are being inputted in AI. Why do we even need to have subject matter knowledge? I can just check in ChatGPT or the EY AI tool itself. Don't you think people will stop reading the literature itself?
Have you heard the word hallucination? In technology, now you will hear more and more that AI is hallucinating. When you say hallucinating, it gives you the information, but the information that you are getting is not necessarily right. How do you know that it is not right? For that, you have to be a subject matter expert.